Most people believe the biggest financial risk in life is losing money in the stock market. But in reality, the biggest risk is having only one source of income. Think about it. Your job feels stable until layoffs happen. Your paycheck feels secure until the economy slows down. And suddenly, the one income you depended on disappears. That's why wealthy people don't rely on just one paycheck. The average millionaire has multiple income streams working for them. And in 2026, having just one income source is not just risky, it's financially dangerous. So in this video, we're going to break down 5 income streams you need to build in 2026 if you want real financial security. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, your primary career income. Your main job is still the foundation of your finances. This is the income that pays your bills, covers your rent or mortgage, and funds your lifestyle. But here's the mistake most people make. They treat their job as their only financial plan. Instead, you should treat your career like capital, money that helps you build other income streams. Use your salary to invest, learn skills, and create opportunities that eventually reduce your dependence on a single paycheck. Your job should be the starting point, not the finish line.
Number 2, investment income. The second income stream is money working for you. Instead of trading time for money, your money begins generating more money. This usually comes from investments like stocks, index funds, ETFs, or dividends. In the US, many investors use long-term strategies through retirement accounts or brokerage accounts. The key idea is simple. You invest today so your future self has income that doesn't require daily work. Even small investments can grow significantly over time thanks to compound growth. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Number 3, digital income. We live in a digital economy, and in 2026, one of the fastest growing income streams is online income. This can include things like YouTube channels, online courses, digital products, freelancing online, content creation. The beauty of digital income is scalability. You can create something once, and people can buy or watch it thousands of times. Many creators start this as a side hustle, but over time, it can grow into a serious income stream. Number 4, asset income. The fourth income stream comes from owning assets. Assets are things that produce income even when you're not actively working. The most common example is real estate. Rental properties can generate monthly cash flow while also increasing in value over time. But assets can also include things like businesses, intellectual property, royalties, automated online stores. The goal is to build systems that generate income with minimal daily effort. This is how wealth becomes sustainable long-term. Number 5, skill-based side income. The final income stream is monetizing your skills. Every person has valuable skills that someone else is willing to pay for. For example, consulting, coaching, freelance work, design, writing, marketing. The advantage of skill-based income is that it can start very quickly. You don't always need large capital, just expertise and effort. And sometimes a simple side hustle can grow into a serious business. Final thoughts. The goal is not to build all 5 income streams overnight. The real strategy is gradual diversification. Start with your job, then begin investing. Then experiment with digital or skill-based income. Over time, your financial life becomes less dependent on one source of money. Because the truth is simple. The more income streams you have, the less power any single problem has over your life. And that's when you start moving from financial survival to financial freedom.